Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 28th, and I want to give you an update on our lavender seedlings. So I'm going to pull them out from under our light here. And you can see here our lady lavender is starting to get its true leaves. It already has one set of them, and it's growing another set out. And we have two more of them germinating back here of the lady lavender. We have our true lavender came up for us. It started coming up on the 20th. And I do have some more of that coming up as well. So I wanted to give you an update on our lavender seedlings. Now that they're getting their true leaves, I'm going to start feeding them with a 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to a gallon of water. I just use the all-purpose Miracle-Gro plant food. You may use whatever food of your choice. I'm just saying what works for me. I find that for me it gives them a strong, healthy root system, which is what I want, because a strong, healthy root system will produce a strong, healthy plant. So I just wanted to give you this little update here. And I did water them today. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.